Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are y'all doing? Hope everyone's doing fine. Happy Tuesday. It's after 5:30 p.m. June 14, Tuesday on the East Coast here. And here's a little update from me. Check it out. Two of the eggs that was hatched by the mom. It's been hatched, and there's baby chicks, oh sorry, baby birds in there. I don't know what you call the name for baby birds, but so yeah, two of the eggs has been hatched, people. And check it out. Oh, subhanallah wa mashallah. Oh my god, my god, oh my god. I've never seen you know I guess uh, bird eggs been hatched, and now I'm seeing it close up here. I think they've been hatched since, I don't know, yesterday, or maybe Sunday, June the 13th. Well, I made a video on June the 13th, so I think they hatched yesterday. Wait, I made a video on June the 12th, so I think they hatched June 13th, which is Monday, yesterday, and today is Tuesday. And one of the eggs has not been hatched, as you can see, and I'm afraid to touch this, but you know how, oh my god, as soon as I come near the nest, the mother flew away. But like I said, the mother has nothing blue on the mother, except the mother has like a dark brown on the outside of the wings and stuff, and underneath her body, or on her chest, it's more like an orangey brown. So but the baby, well, of course it's like a pale pink color. Anyway, so this is a little update for me. I'm not gonna bother this pretty little baby birds, people. So just an update from me. Subhanallah wa mashallah. Hope they will grow to be happy birds. Alright, people. I have to get down from this chair. And a little update from me. This is what I arranged out some flowers, and the roses, and they're like flowers from a wheat plant or a wildflower plant, and also this plant that my auntie neighbor gave me like 2 summers ago, and the flower is like a maroon purplish, very pretty flowers. Yep. So I want to give this to one of my lady neighbors. I have like four lady neighbors that I'm thinking of giving it to. I'm not sure who yet. Anyway, so yeah, so these are the flowers I'm talking about. They're like, I mean, on the camera you see it's like a strong red, but if you see it close up, it's like a purplish maroon. Very pretty color. Like a purplish maroon. But for some reason on the camera it's looking like a hot red. Alright, people, just a little update for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy Tuesday, everyone. And for all having a birthday in this month of June, happy birthday to you guys. Sana helwa ya akhi. Sana helwa ya ukhti. Sana helwa ya habibti. Happy birthday, everybody. Salam.